Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 2 of the St. Patrick's Day series. Today we are actually going to build upon yesterday's video, so if you missed yesterday's video, here's a quick little recap of it. Also, feel free to go watch that and then head back over here if you would like. But today that was our basis and we're just going to build upon it to revamp the overall design. So, first things first, we have this fun little design here and some dotting tools, and we're gonna get started. Actually, I already did. I went super speed on this design. For this, all you need is a dotting tool and a gold polish or gold glitter or even a gold paint, and all you're going to do is fill in the white gap with gold dots. And you can do this of varying sizes, or you could just do one big size. I started out by filling up most of the white space with a bigger dot, and then later on I'm going to go in with a smaller dotting tool and add smaller dots trickling down the nail to kind of give that glitter gradation look. Words are hard today. And polish wise for the gold glitter, I am actually using China Glaze's Merry Whatever, which was from the Grinch Christmas collection a few years ago. So if you can't find it, really any golden or bronzy glitter will do, but I feel like this really just adds to yesterday's design and brings a new sparkly element to it, and it's kind of like the gold at the end of the rainbow but in reverse because it's at the cuticle. I mean, I guess you could do this the other direction and have the gold be at the tip of your nail, but I really like it this way. Looks super fun and classy, and it's really eye-catching to wear. I found myself stopping to look at my nails while I was doing stuff with my nails like this. I don't know, it's just really fun. I love it when a manicure has that type of effect and you're like, ooh, I like my nails. So here is that, super easy. After that, I did apply a top coat, and of course you can do whatever type of finish that you want. I think I went with a shiny one this time, and it really kind of set it all together. Plus, if you're using a chunkier glittery polish, you might want a few top coats just to get it smooth without any texture. However, the one that I used today doesn't have much texture, so I didn't really have to worry about that. One coat of top coat did me just fine. But yeah, here is the overall look of this design. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here soon for another tutorial. As in tomorrow, actually. So very, very soon I will see you again. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you then. Bye.